Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with Gus & Cho Associates. Let's say you've applied for a mortgage, we're going through the process, the underwriter's seen your file, and you're like, oh my gosh, my credit just jumped, or is there something we can do to make my rate better because I don't like that interest rate? We can do what's called the credit repair. During the mortgage process, there's some rules. So if I've locked your loan, we're stuck to the credit report that's in the file at that time. So I cannot repair, or you can't do anything to change that. Now, if the loan's not locked, you can do things like pay your credit cards down. Or let's say something happened where a collection fell off, or something that's 7 years that's really hurting you fell off just because it got old and your score jumped up. We can now rerun your credit. Now, if I rerun your credit, we have to use that credit report, and if we were wrong, we guessed wrong and your score dropped, that's a problem. So we have to use the latest credit report that we run, because the bank's going to be notified that you pulled a new credit report. So they're going to want to know what's going on. We can't say, we were seeing if our score went up and it didn't went down, we're going to use the old one. They don't let you do that, so keep that in mind. So credit repair during the process is doable if you're not locked. You're stuck to the new report. Paying down debts one way, things falling off another way. There's many different little things that we can do to increase your credit score during the process. You got to do it fast because the rapid rescore process takes a while, so you don't have all day long to repair the credit. It's something got to be bang, bang, bang. We got to know for sure that something's going to happen, and we got to address it. We got to attack it. Give me a call. I'm really good at this in this business. I do it all the time. Every month I'm repairing someone's credit one way or another. My phone number is 630-915-7550, and please subscribe. And no, I don't repair your credit if I'm not doing your loan. So I'm not a credit repair company. I'm only helping people that are my clients. So I'm not a credit repair company. Thank you very much. It's too expensive. 630-915-7550. Thanks.